Top 5 Best Binocular for Bird Watching and Safari. 1. HD Professional Binoculars. Still worried about water entering the binoculars? The waterproof tech is through by filling nitrogen in the binoculars. It is an advantage when you travel, no need have extra protection to the binoculars anymore. 2. Goski 10x42 Roof Prism Binoculars for Adult. Dielectric high reflective multilayer prism coatings are applied to all lenses and prism coatings to provide high contrast images and accurate color reproduction. 3. Eyeskey 8x32 Professional Waterproof Binoculars. Fully multi-coated eco-glass lenses and phase correction coated BPRO prism provide a high light transmittance across the entire visible light spectrum. 4. Celestron 72332, Nature DX Ed 8x42 Premium Binoculars. Vanguard top-of-the-line Endeavor Ed binoculars deliver sharpness and clarity like never before with exceptional light transmission and remarkable color resolution and contrast. Other features include an ergonomic. 5. TecTecTec BPRO Wild 10x42 Binoculars. The Diamondback HD delivers a rock-solid optic that optically punches high above its class. Check the description below for more details and price. If you like my video, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.